So in previous video, we just saw like how our application looks. We have added all the different items. We have added a like button like add to cart. See this color, right? I'm not liking that much. So let us change it a bit, okay? A little crimson red. If it is like little crimson red, it may look good. Okay. So how does this look? Yeah, this is actually looking better. So what we will do, we will just make the font width, font weight to 700. So it will look still good. Yeah, it is looking good now. So now what we have already, like all the items, whatever we have search button here. So now our duty is to make this search button functional. So how can we make this search button functional is the thing now we have. So for that, to make the search button function, I have dedicated this complete video. Let us quickly look into it. How can we make it? So let us come to our code. Here in the products.html, see, wherever our input is there, wherever we have written our input, okay, here we need to give some ID. Okay, what ID can we give? What ID can we give? We can give something like a product search. Okay, okay, sorry. Yeah, my ID will be there. It will be product CARCH. It will be product search will be my ID. So with this ID, we need to write the JavaScript code, which will just search my product if I search here on clicking this button. Okay, I have the button also, like with the ID search button. I have made the ID product search also. Now I will just go to the script.js and I'll just change like whatever is required and whatever I need to add, that I'll be adding now. So this is my script.js. Now I need to add the search functionality. To add the search functionality, let me just write it also. Search functionality. Search functionality is the thing I need to do right now. So what I'll do, I'll just write something called as function and search products. Okay, function search products is the thing, and query. So why I'm writing as query, like each of the time when we will ask for searching, right? So that is called as query. This is just coming as a parameter over here. So now inside this, now I need to use the filter option to get whatever I require. So I'll just write like const filtered products, okay, is equal to whatever the products are there, that I'll just apply the filter functionality over here. So for that, product arrow function I'm using, arrow function. So here what will happen for me, like I'll just like whatever product name is there, that I need to convert into a lowercase first. Fine. For product dot name dot to lowercase, okay, to lowercase, I'll just write if it includes, if that includes whatever query I'll be sending, if that will include my query, okay, query dot, see, if suppose that may be in the capital letter also, so for safer side, I'll just use the two lowercase. Okay, so this is what I'll do here for the filtered items. Then what I'll do, if this is the case, if suppose whatever query I'm sending that contains the product name, okay, and I'm converting it into lowercase, if it contains, then I'll just need to render those products. Okay, render those products with this filtered products. And whatever my product list will be there, that will be updated with this filtered products. Fine, this is one thing. Now what I need to do is I need to add the event listener to that button. Okay, adding event listener to the button. Okay, how can I add the event listener to that button is the thing I'll show. Now I can easily search over here, but my button is still not functional. I need to make that button functional. So to add that, we need to take the ID first. For that, I'll just take like document get element by ID. So we have the ID of the button here, that is search button. Okay, so search button is the ID of the button. So for this, I'm adding event listener. If for this, I'll just check if it is clicked. Then I'll add event listener is the keyword. So if I click it, fine. If I click it, what should happen? I'm using arrow function again. Then some query, whatever the query I have passed, that should get searched. So I'll write query, const query. Const query is equal to, I'll search it by ID. So like document dot get element by ID. So what I need, whatever the products I have searched, that I need, right? So I'll just write like product search. Whatever the value will be there in the product search, that I'll write. What is this product search? You can just check. It is the ID of the input box. Okay, whatever the value I give inside this input box, that will be searched by this query. Then that value, whatever is there, that value will be set into the searched products. So searched products of that RY query. Fine. So this is how it will work actually. So if I'm not wrong, this should work perfectly now. Let us check whether it is working or not. Suppose I want to webcam. I want to search for webcam. Yes, exactly. So I am able to do this. So the search functionality is completed now. Yes, in the next video, we will see the sorting functionality.